Tiniyak ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na may sapat na petroleum supply ang bansa sa kabila ng pangamba sa posibleng kakulangan dahil sa nagpapatuloy na tensyon sa Middle East. Sa kanyang presidential address ngayong hapon, sinabi nitong tatagal pa ng average na 45 days ang kasalukuyang stock ng diesel, gasoline, kerosene at jet fuel sa bansa.
We are talking about 45 days on average, more or less. Pero hindi natin alam how long this will last, how long the supply is going to be diminished from the Middle East to the Straits of Hormuz.
Sinabi rin ng Pangulo na tuloy-tuloy ang paghahanap ng pamahalaan ng karagdagang supply at pagtiyak na matutupad ang mga existing contracts.
First of all, what we tried to do was to ensure that the contracts that we already had would be honored. I credit the success of this ensuring the supply to the good relations that we have with our partner countries around the world. And although we cannot be assured right now of the supply, we can be sure that at least for 45 days we will be all right. I think that we can be fairly confident. We can be confident that after the 45 days, we will still have already arrived here in the Philippines. We will have already a flow of oil, not just one delivery, not just two deliveries, but a flow of petroleum and petroleum-related products.
Kasabay nito, ipinaliwanag ng Pangulo ang pagdedeklara ng State of National Energy Emergency, kasabay ng paglilinaw na hindi ito dahilan para magpanik ang publiko.
Malinaw ang salitang ginamit natin, energy emergency. Hindi ito emergency ng pangkalahatan. It is a very specific and a very precise emergency. It is an emergency of the energy sector, the supply of energy, and the prices of energy. I want to assure everyone that this does not mean that we should panic. It means that we are doing everything that we can to assess and to alleviate the situation. It is a precautionary tool so that we are ready for whatever comes next.
Posible namang malagdaan na ngayong araw ang panukalang batas na magbibigay kapangyarihan sa punong ehekutibo para suspendihin o bawasan ang excise tax sa fuel. Pero inamin din niya na hindi pa agad ipatutupad ang suspensyon ng excise tax dahil may mga kondisyon sa batas na kailangan matugunan bago ito gamitin. Anya patuloy pang pinag-aaralan ng pamahalaan kung kailan ang tamang timing ng pagpapatupad, lalo na't pabago-bago anya ang presyo ng langis sa world market.
Natapos na ang kanilang pag-aaral doon sa batas na yan at nasa amin na at siguro by the end of today, I will be able to sign that into law already. Ngayon, titignan ngayon natin kailan ang pinakamagandang oras, when is the best time to use that new authority, because there are conditions within the law that have to be satisfied.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Maricar Sargan ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music and News Authority.